Hello and welcome to Central New York's Open House. I'm your host Jill Hayes from New York Sash. This weekend's episode is all about healthy living and a healthy home. One way to have very clean air and make your home healthy is with a top-notch HVAC system. Here's Paul Collis from Fred F. Collis & Sons to tell you more.
Hi, Paul Collis at Fred F. Collis & Sons. We've been serving the Mohawk Valley since 1936. Today we serve over 20,000 customers, and we are the experts in professional installation and service of both heating and air conditioning systems, along with fireplaces, on-demand hot water heaters, and assortment of indoor air quality issues. Today we're at Kevin Fay and Claire Fay's home in Sequoia, New York. We installed this new system, which is a modulating, high-efficient, variable speed furnace. And what that means to the homeowner is it's going to be saving the most amount of money with not only the gas savings, but also electrical efficiency savings. This is a 95% efficient furnace. And the nice thing about this furnace is that it's taking 100% outside air for combustion through these PVC plastic pipes. So you're not doing anything to disturb the indoor air because it's all taking outside air for combustion. And this furnace is going to modulate with different types of heating demands throughout the course of the year. Like today, it's a 35-degree day outside, and what it's going to be doing is going to vamp down. Instead of using 100% capacity, it's going to be using a 20% capacity. And when it's colder, it'll automatically vamp up to the next stage. So this furnace has 12 different stages of heating. The blower on this furnace is the variable speed GE ICM2 blower, which is a variable speed technology. Basically what that means, the old furnaces used like 400 watts of electricity to run the fan. This is running 80 watts of electricity. So it's going to save you a lot more money in the consumption of electrical usage. We also have on the system is this immediate air cleaner. And basically what this does, anytime the furnace is running, the air from upstairs and through the return is going to go through this. It's going to be cleaned and purified through this air cleaner and then back into the furnace. So it's going to keep the furnace as efficient and keep it clean and keep everything running as efficient as we need it to be keeping. Furnace like this comes with a complete 10-year warranty on parts and labor. So what that means to the homeowners, for the next 10 years, if anything breaks, our company is going to take care of it 100%. This is the zone panel. And what you can see here, there's 4 different zones. Right now, damper 4, damper 3 is closed, but damper 1 and damper 2 are open. So what that means is the segments upstairs, which are the master bedroom, the whole suite there, and also the main family room, are calling for heat. And the 2 zones downstairs in the basement are not calling for heat. So right now, the system's trying to operate at those 2 zones to make it at the desired temperature that the homeowner has set. In our climate, there's a lot of times there's a need for moisture to be added in the winter months because we have very cold temperatures in the winter months, and the moisture from the home likes to escape through windows, through poor insulation. So what we introduced in Kevin and Claire's house is a humidifier, and in the dead of winter, this humidifier will automatically come on. The water trickles through a pad, and what the pad does once the furnace is running, it pulls all the moisture from the pad and introduces it into the house. A humidistat controls the amount of humidity you need in a home. I recommend a typical home in the wintertime to have a relative humidity between 35 and 45%. The final component of the indoor air quality in this home is this heating and recovery ventilator. The benefits of a heating and recovery ventilator are it's introducing fresh outdoor air into a home that in a brand new home it's more tight because the insulation's high, the windows are high with R value, and what happens in the heating moments, our house is closed completely up, so the system keeps on running and running and running, and it's just going to introduce more of the stale air. So what this system does is that it takes stale indoor air and exchanges it for fresh outdoor air. The home that the occupant stays in the winter months, a lot of times we're in the house 10, 12 hours and the house never introduces any fresh air because the house is so tight. So this is going to introduce the fresh outdoor air into the home, which makes the house a lot more comfortable. It breathes and makes the whole relative humidity and everything else kind of flow much more evenly, and the homeowners are a lot more comfortable. For more information, log on to fredfcollis.com or come into our 2 showrooms, one at 5092 Commercial Drive in Yorkville and one on Erie Boulevard in Rome. We could also answer any questions by 768-2323. Give us a call and I'd be more than happy, myself or my team members, to come into the home, evaluate your home, give you some ideas on how to improve the efficiency of your home, and also to see if the indoor air quality can also be improved.